So now I'm going to Google Earth back out.
Mm-hmm.
And instead of seeing now I'm going to see something like this. And then I try to get a little close again, but I'm thinking that F's going to go to the A, and the A is going to go to the C, and the C is going to go to a B flat. And again, using a ridiculous prototype like we did the Saints Come Marching In, how about anchors away, my boys? Anchors away. And the listener says, wow, she's got such an elegant phrase going for her there. Wonder how she did that. You lose the line right there.
Yeah.
So try this once, then try adding one note, then try to add all the notes, so you never lose the integrity of it. Nice. So what is the dum ba-da-da-dum? Now, we remember long ago in the past when you went da-da-da-dum, and we don't quite remember it literally, but remember it enough to know that this is different. Point out the difference.
Yeah.
Think of the expectation, point out the difference. Now, for these other voices that are in here, I'm going to go, I'm going to play the top voice for you, and I'd like you to play this voice as if you were actually playing. Keep that voice alive. So I'm going to start there. And then you come, yeah, and da da dee dee. So see if you were deprived of being able to play the top line, could you still suggest to the listener everything that top line was going to suggest, but suggest it merely by means of the middle line? And when you get to the first measure of that line, think of da 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 da. Really keep that voice alive.
Yeah.
The only thing is that there are breaks that are occurring that are not breaks in your musical phrase, they're breaks in physically. So this is going da 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 da, ya da 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 da. This is the broad motion. So make sure you go all the way from the F all the way to the C. Was nice. Okay, so I didn't. I'm going from there to there. You're spanning. It's the Sydney Arch Bridge, spanning the first of whatever. You're going from there to there. Better. So from here to there, and then here to there. This is a seventh. This is a seventh, but that's your outline. Da, da, da. Make sure you feel that out. Now from the B flat. Now even I get it now. Even the idiot in the audience understands the phrase now.
Okay, yeah.